What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys the New Balance 247 V2. Perfect. Here's the shoe. The uppers are mostly this breathable mesh material. On the side panels you got this leather flap that has the New Balance logo. Coming around the back here is this plastic heel guard. Tongue has the New Balance logo. It says 247 on it. Here's the sole. Clean, fresh out the box. Inside it says 247 on the insole. So yeah, overall, a really clean shoe. I tried these on in a store, they fit really good. And I'll show you guys the on feet right now.